Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com. Let me show you today's gold trade, gold and oil trades, right? So let's get started. This is the chart I made, and by the way, I use my Renko candles, right, for analysis. So this was my analysis from the higher time frame, and according to this Elliott wave count, that wave one array is finished, so gonna drop for two or B. So as of today, and I made this chart on the 29th, I think it was Friday. And here is the chart I recorded today, June 1st. And coming down, my trade is using my system, my auto trading robot, CTS-7. And here the robot opened the trade and all the way down. Couldn't close, I wasn't available to close right here, exactly at the target, but it went up a little bit, but still 500 pips, no problem. Similarly, oil trade before chart was this, which I made on 29th May on H4 4-hour chart, saying that this thing is going to bounce from here and it's going to go there. So what happened to this chart as of today? It went up, not touching quite here, this area, then drop a little bit, and then now probably going to go up again. And I am in the long trade, right? So here is my long, which I close, and I'll find another entry later on. But this is the trade taken this by the CTS-7, right? So this is a beautiful trade taken by the book, and according to my setup, my CTS-7 always take the trades according to the setup, right? It's a robot. So this is it for now. For today, I have several other trades running, but they're not closed yet. At the end of the day, I'm going to close, and then I'll make the video tomorrow and show you how I did in those trades, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. And talk to you in the next video.